Hey guys, we wanted to introduce you another boat of one of our brand new partners with Sylvan. Today we have a L3 bar, which is Sylvan's #1 top selling boat, and here's why. So the boat behind me, the color is going to be a wave blue. Wave blue, we can't get enough people coming in the showroom telling us that that color looks awesome. It does have the blackout package, which everyone likes as an accent on their rails, and then it is incorporated with black and gray. Moving up into the boat though, we'll show you why it is called an L3 bar. So coming up here, you have the higher seat backs in an L, so you can kind of see once you get into the L series that the seats are a lot taller. You feel a little bit more safer riding in these boats than you do the other pontoons out on the market with the height of the seats. You can kind of look at Sylvan's attention to detail with the double stitching. Integrated cup holders with charging ports. This boat does have floor lights and cup holder lights. It does have the ski locker floor. So what that does is enable you guys to fit more storage in the boat in addition to all the storage under your seats. The table is easily stowed down there. What a lot of people like on the Niagara River though is where's the bathroom? This boat does have a bathroom. It is the changing style. So you're just gonna flip up this chase lounge here, undo your bag, undo your little latch here with your canvas patch. And voila, you have your toilet. Or your privacy area to either change from your bathing suit in the sweatpants, or obviously keep the potty tucked away in this massive storage compartment, and when you need to use it, deploy the change room and pull it out. Great feature to have on busy lakes or busy rivers. Now coming back to the boat, you have your traditional L bracket seating. What's nice about this is everything is useful. You know, I can sit in this corner, I can stack people here. This is kind of probably your high conversation area right here, being next to the driver. And being next to the driver's gonna sit up about 1.5 inches taller than you, as we incorporated the elevated helm. So the elevated helm is this little step here that puts the driver above all its riders. Kind of a safety feature to give him a little bit more safer line of sight. Moving to the helm is equipped fully with everything you could think of. Master switches, courtesy lights, floor lights, cup holder lights. Obviously you see the Humminbird Helix 5 there, which is a fish finder and a chart plotter. Great unit to use, especially at night. It does come with tilt wheel and also has the sea deck mat for the driver's feet to give it that added sense of luxury. Moving back though, this is what makes it a bar. So you can kind of see the bar. I can kind of come up here with 4 of my friends, sit on the pedestals pretty easily. And then you have 6 cup holders that are lit in this model. And then on the other side here, moving over, you have a stereo control for the back. So you don't have to come back up to the helm to change your music while you're hanging out. Now the nicest feature about being back here is the versatility of what this bar gives you. So you obviously see the 4 pedestal seats, and on the side there you see the ports to where chairs can go. So you're gonna take one of the bar stools here, stow them away, and they're just gonna pop down this easily. There is no secret about it. You just pull them out, drop them back in. We're gonna get this last one over here really quick. So back here, you can also ride back here, obviously, because of all the bars here that keeps you enclosed while you're in the boat. So while you're sipping on suds or sipping on your cold beer, you can sit in the bar section the way it's deployed. Now, if you want to go tubing or skiing, or you're going to be out on a boat ride all day, what we're going to do is unlock this latch here, do 1 strap in the back here, and hit 1 button. This is going to deploy the bed to make everybody's favorite model, the swing back. So you can see on a lot of my other videos that we have the swing back models, whether it be Sylvan or another brand, also a nice functionality of a boat. But it gives you the big bed, and a lot of people don't even know that there's a bar back here. So you can kind of come back here, lounge out. This seat does move to make a full lounger. You can kind of hang out, watch all your guys have fun, either swimming in the water or get pulled by that massive, massive ski pylon that is on this cage. So this boat is married with a 200 Yamaha 4-stroke. And again, this is a 4-gate pontoon door, so you can obviously get back and utilize the swim deck as a whole. So the 200 is going to get you cruising into the upper 40s, mid 40s. Be a great boat to ski on. And then when you get to the cove, again, we're going to put this bar back up really quick to show you guys how easy it is. Just pull this, it's going to lock into place. We're back at the cove, and now we're entertaining again. You're going to lock these together, put the bar stools in, and you're set. So this boat truly has everything you need, whether it be a bar, a bed, a changing room, couches to lay out in. It is the best of both worlds. So if this is the boat for you and you'd like to view it, it is in our showroom in our North Tonawanda location. I'm Jim, and you can give us a call to set up an appointment at 716-694-0188.